This evening we have our career speed dating event, and we've invited all of our students from Lake County to join us, and we also have different people from the community that are coming out to share their careers with our students so that they understand that there are other options available to them. The idea for this evening is just to have that collaboration between people from the community with our students so we can give them ideas as to what options they have for their future.
I met with a lot of people with want to help me with my career, and they're now one of my reasons I continue of doing what I want to be, and I want to be a pediatric cardiologist. So all of them is helping me to continue where I want to be in life.
I just recently got a new mentor. She's been very helpful, helping me create schedules, giving me good tips, getting my grades up. This experience for me today was probably a 10 out of 10.
Tonight was absolutely incredible. It was my first speed dating kind of a style. I had a wonderful time meeting the incredible talent and had a little bit of chat with almost every single one of them about their careers and what they're pursuing, whether it's college or just really trying to figure out what is the next move and next step in their lives. But even in that short period of time, we really were able to hone in on the clarity piece and really knowing that we don't have to make a decision right away, or they don't have to make a decision right away, that sometimes it's a little bit better to take a step back and really observe, align their decisions with their values and purpose and mission in life. And once they have that, it's just so much easier to pursue exactly what they want to pursue, whether it's going to college or even entrepreneurship. It's an incredible feeling. I go home, I feel really happy, and so if there's someone out there that feels like, you know what, there's something still missing in my life, perhaps Take Stock in Children is a place that you can look into and give back.
If you're interested in becoming one of our student mentees, you can visit our website, or you can just give us a call at the office. The number is 352-787-6576. We want to give a big thank you to Insight Credit Union for sponsoring this wonderful event, and we want to thank all of our presenters here that are sharing their expertise and their knowledge with our students.
Take Stock in Children!